There we go. Nice fish. Another one on the on that bandito bug again. I found some grass over here. That's what I was aiming for. See you, buddy. There we go. That guy didn't want to stick around. Here we go. There we go. Good fish. Solid fish. Nice. Nice largie. There's a bunch of grass. It's really clear water, and then there's a bunch of grass towards the bottom down here. And the fish are kind of just hiding in that thick grass, and I'm just dropping that little bandito bug down in there, and these guys are picking it up pretty much every time. This is a nice little, I don't know, 1.5, maybe 2 pounder. All right, buddy. Peace. So basically what we got going here is little green pumpkin colored bandito bug. I like green pumpkin anytime you're fishing like clear water. Green pumpkin in clear water, just whether you're throwing a Senko or any kind of creature bait, I just feel like it's my personal favorite. And then I got a tiny little wade on here, and I've got the hook so it's like flush with the edge of the bandito bug, so you're not going to get caught in as many weeds. But once that fish bites into the plastic in the middle here, the hook, once you set the hook upwards, you'll be able to still get that fish, because once he puts pressure here, the hook will become exposed. So that's basically the strategy. And I was showing you guys that grass. I'm just tossing it into that grass, letting it hit the bottom and just popping it off the bottom a little bit, and then fish seem to be just coming over and picking it up. There we go. Way down in there in that grass. Come on up, buddy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, there's so much, I have so much grass. Nice little bandito bug fish. Got him right out of that thick grass down there. Send him back on his way. There he goes. There we go. Oh, I lost him. He was the little guy anyway, smallest one of the day. But same tactic, flipping that little bandito bug into that grass mat. There's another one in the grass. Not as big as the last one, but he's got, oh my God, there's so many bass in this grass over here. I just saw 2 or 3 other fish. This part of the pond I'm fishing, it's really clear water in here, but this grass, there's a lot of grass over here, and I just got this little guy. The one I caught before this was a little bit bigger, but this thick grass right here gives them some nice cover when it's hot out. So that's where I've been targeting with the bandito bug. Get this little guy back. But yeah, this right here has been the deal. There we go. Got him. That was so sick. It's a good one too. That was so sick. It's a good one. Nice fish. Nice fish. Come here, buddy. That was so sick. All right. Back he goes. There we go. Little guy. There he goes. Little guy. All right, little dude. Peace. Oh my goodness. All right. Nothing special, probably just about a little, maybe like a 1 pounder. And I got him on the old bandito bug. Get a release on this guy, send him back into the pads. I don't know if this fish is still gonna be on here. He is. Another decent one. All right. Decent little fish. Got him out of the pads on the bandito bug once again. It's doing the deal today. Two point 2.18. Nice little 2-pounder. Not a bad fish. Ate the Senko pretty instantly. See ya, buddy. On the jerkbait. Careful, careful, careful. Decent little largie on the jerkbait. Later, buddy. There we go. Stay out of the pads for me, pal. Just inhale the bandito bug. Another little, probably about, probably a 1-pounder. Right out of the pads on the bandito bug, black and blue. All right, buddy. Peace. There we go. Oh, pickerel. Dang it. Oh my God. That was crazy. That was absurd. All right. Probably about a 1-pounder. Nothing crazy, but I was casting the black and blue bandito bug right next to those pads, and I was reeling it almost out of the water to make another cast, and this fish pretty much went airborne to get it. Later, buddy.